Today I am going to discuss about the area of a cuboid and a cube. Area of a cuboid and a cube. This figure is called the cuboid. All sides are separate. A cuboid has three-dimensional figure. Three dimension means its dimension figure, measurements of the parts of measurement. One is length, breadth, height. It is called the three dimension. No, this cuboid has the different dimensions, not equal. That means it has separately length, breadth, and height. Each and every dimension are separate. But it is the cube. All sides, though there is also three-dimensional figure, but length, what is the length? It will be the breadth, and also it will what? Height. All are equal. Length equal to breadth equal to height. But in that case, length is length, breadth is breadth, and what? Height is height. So in this figure, it is called the what? Cuboid. It is called what? Cuboid. It is expressed or explained in the class 9. No? Now, in this cuboid figure, there are 6 rectangles. There are 6 rectangles. One rectangle is what? Upper one, and another is what? Lower one, and sidewise, and another is sidewise, the front side and the back side. So 6, no need to explain, just 6 rectangles and a separately area. We have this rectangle area what? Length into breadth. This part is length, you see here, that is length, that is breadth. And for this one, it is height, it is breadth. For this one, it is length, it is breadth. For this, it is height, then it is breadth. Huh? So, for there and these 6 rectangles, 2 pairs of rectangles always equal. Up rectangle and down rectangle are equal. Sidewise 2 rectangles equal, and front and the back side equal. No? So ultimately we get 6 rectangles. One rectangle is what? Area. One is what? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D plus again area A, B, C, D is upon. Then that one E, F, G is area E, F, G is plus that side area A, E, F, B. A, E, F, B plus again area. After this, that one area what? D, C, G, H. D, C, G, H plus area. That side complete, that side complete, front side and back side. Front side is what? A, E is D. A, E is D plus and area. It is the A, E, is D, back side, and front side is what? B, F, G, C. B, F, G, C. So, as the four side makes a cuboid, so if we find the area of that means 6 rectangles which make the cuboid, then the area of the 6 rectangles is ultimately equal to the what? Area of the cuboid. So, implies or that is that plus that 2 are equal. Ultimately we can get what? First ABCD. ABCD means what? LB. LB plus that one EF GH. EF GH is also LB plus, and next one is what? AEFB. AEFB means what? BH plus next one DCGH. DCGH HB or BH plus that one AEHD. AEHD, height and length. No? Height and length. Plus again, last one, BFGC. BFGC means what? Height and air. Ultimately, we can get 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. No? Take 2 common. LB plus BH plus HL. That is the area of a cuboid. Huh? Area of a cuboid. Now you see here, it is the area of a cuboid including which has 6 sides. Now another part of the area of the cuboid like this means what? Suppose there is how many sides? 6 sides. If the cuboid, if we are told that find the area of the cuboid when the upper part is what? Nil or upper part is disclosed. So in that case, upper part is excluded. Means what? If the upper part is excluded, not include, then there is what? 5 rectangles. Now, upper part means what? A, B, C, D. Already we have the area of the cuboid means 2 into 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL. But if the upper part is excluded, then only this upper part LB is also excluded. In that case, you say originally we have 2 LB plus 2 BH plus 2 HL, but in that case, this 2 LB is what? Upper is excluded, so there will be only LB plus 2 common and H common, then L plus B is like this. When the upper part is excluded. Now it is the area of cube, area of a cube, your cuboid. Area of a cuboid having 5 sides. 5 sides. Having 5 sides. Upper is excluded means what? Having 5 sides. So area of a cuboid having 5 sides is formula is what? LB to L plus B is by taking comma. And if we exclude upper and lower, then there is remain what? 4 walls. Only there is 4 walls. No. So we can write it as 4 walls area. It is called the what? It is called lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now In that case, you see here, area of 4 walls of a cuboid, or 4 walls. No, it's the 4 walls of a cuboid. In that case, up and down is cancelled. So ultimately this figure is cancelled. Then we have what? 2BH plus 2HL, that is 2L plus B is common. Now formula is what? 2 into LB plus H. It is the lateral surface area or area of the 4 walls of the cuboid. Now this portion can be written as 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B, we have area of a perimeter of a rectangle. We know already perimeter of a rectangle, so we can write as what? Perimeter of a rectangle into height. Ultimately, we can write this. Now, 4 area of the 4 walls of the cuboid. Now, comparative study we can discuss like this for class 9. Especially discussion is for class 9. Now, area of a cuboid. Formula 2LB plus BH plus HL. It is the area of a cuboid. Now, if we convert this from this one, we can find the area of a on the cube. Comparative study, area of a cube. As the length and height all are equal, so length equal to breadth equal to height equal to, we consider A. If we write like this, 2, it is A, it is A, all are A. Ultimately, 2 S square plus S square plus S square, 2 3S square means what? 6A square means 6 into side square. 6 into side square. It is the area of a cube. Whereas the area of the cuboid is that one. It is the one point comparative study. Next, second one, area of 4 wall of a cuboid. Area of the 4 walls of a cuboid. We have 2L plus B into H. From this formula, we can derive the area of the cube. Area of the lateral 4 wall means what? Lateral surface area. Of a cuboid. 4 wall means what? Lateral surface area. Lateral area of the lateral surface area of a cuboid. The lateral surface area of a cuboid. The lateral surface area of a cuboid means what? That one. Like this. Here, area of the cube, lateral surface of a cube. Area of the lateral surface area of a cube means what? 2 into a plus a plus a. 2 twice a into a, 4 a square. It is the little surface area of a cube. That is the little surface area of a cuboid. Now we have four-sided cuboid area. That means little surface area of a cuboid, five-sided cuboid area, and six-sided cuboid area. Thus, we can explain. Now, we go to do one or two problems. For the problem, the question is like this. Now, question is what? A room is of 11 meter into 8 meter into 5 meter. Find the cost of cementing its floor, 4 walls. Cementing its 4 walls and floor at the rate of rupees 4 per square meter, including doors and windows. You see here, a room is of that meter, that meter, that meter. It means these are the dimensional figure. These are the dimension. That into that into that. It means length 11 meter, breadth 8 meter and height suppose 5 meter. Find the cost of cementing. Cementing is 4 walls. 4 walls means what? Lateral surface area and floor. 4 walls and floor. There is total 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 walls and the floor. Floor means lower one. Now this 4 side is plus. It is the floor. 5 sides. So 5-sided figure. 5-sided figure. Here we have to calculate the costing price. We can like this. The length here length 11 meter, breadth 8 meter, height 5 meter. No? So the area of the 5-sided wall. Area of the 5-sided wall. No? 4-sided, it is the literal, and extra is what? 4 one. 4 side and extra 4. Total 5 side. Huh? Now area of the 4 walls and floor equal to all total 5-sided figure LB plus 2 L plus B H. Common 2 BH to LS. Now you see here L means 11 meter. No, to write the dimension. That's the unit. 11 into what? 8 plus 2. L means what? 11 plus 8 and it is 5. 88 plus 2 into 2 means what? 2 5 are 10 into 9. It is what? 8 no? 19. Means plus 190. Means 8, 7 and 2 square meter. It is the area of the 4 walls and the floor. 4 walls and the floor. Now here you are told per square meter cost is what? Rupees 4. Per square meter cost is what? Rupees 4. So cost of per means 1 meter square equal to rupees 4. Cost of how much meter? 278 meter square is nothing but the multiplication 4 into 278. It is that one 1112 rupees. Rupees 1112. Thus, first and foremost, we have to clear about the formula and how we can detect this formula. Every point should be well known by the students. Then we are going to do the sums. Thank you.